BSN is a very unique organization. We have to be responsible for things like financial inclusion, access to banking for everyone in the whole country, for all Malaysians. We want to have a very meaningful, lifelong relationship with all our customers to make sure that everyone, Malaysian per se, have a meaningful life. Well, we have plenty of issues, but the main thing is a question of managing the traffic. We have a lot of customers at the branch. Every time you go to the BSN branch, you see a lot of people, huge crowd, which sometimes gives the impression that we are not efficient. So at the end of the day, we thought we need to have a machine that people can be able to actually use them comfortably without having to worry, because now you have a machine with a teller.
When we met up together for a chat, so actually we find that it was a big idea and something that we have not done before. But as an Aldan technology, we are the company are very innovative and always look forward for new things. We took up the challenge, and then we know that understand that BSN will want to streamline the process, increase the efficiency of the service, and also to be a market leader in this particular market. So we told them that, look, we want to take up the challenge. We will like to work together with them to build this innovative solution together with them. Immediately, we formed a team to look at this project. We went around the world to source for the right components with our own expenses. Finally, after 2 years, we have built the world's first bank virtual teller machines.
At the beginning, honestly, it was a very daunting task. Nobody has a machine like this before. We are not able to copy or really study other banks. They were patient enough to cater for all the whims and fancies that we have, going through so many rounds. They have proven to be a very good partner.
We integrated technology to create this virtual teller system. It includes video conferencing system, touchscreen panel, card dispenser, debit and credit card reader, signature pad, secure pin pad, document scanner, biometric and IT card readers, barcode reader, and cash recycling machine. All these components work together to help customers perform transactions at the branch. From the branch, we connect the VTM through a secure private network that connects customers to virtual teller agents from low-traffic branches. It helps to reduce customer waiting time. It gives convenience and create a whole new experience for the customer. Basically, whatever you can do at bank counter, you can do at virtual teller machines. With this VTM, we are able to maximize efficiency, increase productivity, and provide exposure for BSN teller nationwide. And this is in line with BSN new promise, better life within reach.
At the beginning, right, the customers were a little bit worried about using it. But as time goes on, right, there were many of our branches where the customer wanted to use the machine because the operation is more efficient, it's faster, and we were able to reduce at least about 25, up to today, I guess more than 25% of the transactions over the counter. In terms of productivity, we were able to improve our productivity because we are able to divert customers from high traffic branches to those like low traffic branches, so that the tellers in low traffic branches are more gainfully employed, and then also reduce the waiting time of the customers. So there's a higher turnaround of customers, they don't have to wait too long. And on top of that, right, we are able to introduce more value-added services to the customers. I would say that we are definitely a leader in this front. You know, in innovation, Many banks actually know about this. We are proud to say that even other countries will now come to know that somewhere in Thailand also they are trying to introduce this virtual telling machine. Some of the banks actually came over to Malaysia to have a look at our machines and see how it works.
This machine itself is to actually promote this kind of change in the way people perceive the bank, right? That, hey, here's a bank that have done something else which is new, first in the country, something which is based on technology.
This is just the beginning. Moving forward, we aim to innovate more world-first solutions within this industry. We already established a presence in the Asia-Pacific region, but we hope SSDM will also be recognized globally in the near future.